Curious about how Palantir has been generating its revenue and what their growth potential looks like? This is the question we'll be delving into today. Palantir, a name that's been echoing in the corridors of the tech industry, has been making waves with its unique approach to data analytics. Understanding its revenue streams and growth potential is key to making informed decisions, whether you're a tech enthusiast, an industry professional, or an investor. We'll be dissecting Palantir's current revenue generation strategies from their data analytic services, including products like Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry, and their consulting and deployment services. We'll also explore their potential for revenue growth by looking at opportunities for expansion into new markets, product development, and partnerships. So if you're eager to understand the financial underpinnings of this tech giant, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of Palantir's financials. So, how does Palantir make its money? Let's dive into it. Palantir's revenue stream is primarily driven by two significant sectors: data analytics services and consulting and deployment services. Firstly, let's take a look at their data analytics services. The company has two main software platforms in this realm: Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry. These platforms provide big data analytics, which help organizations across various sectors make data-driven decisions. Palantir Gotham, primarily used by government agencies, assists in counterterrorism investigations and cyber analytics. On the other hand, Palantir Foundry serves a broad range of commercial clients, helping them leverage their data to gain insights and drive growth. The revenue generated from these platforms is usually based on subscription models, where clients pay a recurring fee for continuous access to these services. This model provides Palantir with a steady, predictable stream of revenue. Now let's shift our focus to Palantir's consulting and deployment services. This is where Palantir works closely with its clients to implement and optimize their software platforms. These services include system setup, data integration, software customization, and ongoing support and maintenance. The revenue from these services is typically contract-based and varies depending on the complexity of the project and the duration of the contract. In essence, Palantir's business model is about providing high-value, high-impact solutions to complex data problems. It's about using technology to empower organizations, whether they are government agencies fighting terrorism or corporations striving for efficiency and growth. It's also worth noting that Palantir's revenue is geographically diverse, with clients spread across the globe. This global presence not only diversifies their revenue streams but also opens up opportunities for growth in new markets. Clearly, Palantir's data analytics and consulting services are key revenue drivers. But what about the future? Where does Palantir's growth potential lie? Imagine for a moment a world where data analysis is integral to every industry, every market. That's the world Palantir is preparing for. They are not just sticking to their current market segments, but are actively exploring and expanding into new territories, both industry-wise and geographically. This diversification strategy opens up a plethora of opportunities for revenue growth. Consider the untapped potential in industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, retail, and the public sector, where data analytics can bring about transformative changes. Palantir's foray into these sectors could significantly boost their revenue streams. Their geographical expansion, especially into the emerging markets, could be another catalyst for revenue growth. But expansion is not just about adding new markets. It's also about enhancing and evolving existing products to meet the increasingly diverse demands of the market. Palantir's commitment to continuous innovation is evident in their product roadmap. By refining and expanding their current offerings like Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry, they can cater to a broader customer base, thereby increasing their revenue potential. Partnerships and collaborations present another exciting avenue for growth. By teaming up with other tech giants or even startups, Palantir can leverage their partners' customer base and resources for mutual growth. Imagine the possibilities when Palantir's advanced data analytics capabilities are combined with the strengths of other industry leaders. These collaborations can lead to the development of innovative solutions, opening up new customer segments and revenue opportunities. In essence, Palantir's growth strategy is multi-pronged, combining market expansion, product enhancement, and strategic partnerships. This holistic approach is designed to maximize their revenue growth potential, making the most of current trends and future opportunities. Palantir's growth potential is indeed promising, given its expansion plans and product enhancement strategies. This growth narrative, combined with their relentless pursuit of innovation, positions Palantir as a compelling prospect for those looking at long-term growth. Now, let's talk about profits. Can Palantir turn its revenues into profits? To answer this question, let's first look at Palantir's cost factors. Research and development costs are a significant part of Palantir's expenditure. The company consistently invests in developing innovative solutions, refining their existing products, and exploring new technologies. These expenses are crucial for Palantir's long-term growth, as they keep the company competitive and forward-thinking in the fast-paced tech industry. Operating expenses are another major cost factor. These include salaries, office expenses, and other costs related to the day-to-day functioning of the company. Given Palantir's global operations and high-quality talent, these expenses are substantial, but they are also necessary for the company's ongoing operations and growth. Marketing costs are also a notable part of Palantir's spending. As the company continues to expand its customer base, it needs to invest in marketing campaigns to reach potential clients and maintain its brand presence. Now, let's shift our focus to Palantir's profit opportunities. One way Palantir can increase its profitability is by optimizing its pricing structures. By understanding the value its products provide to different customer segments, Palantir can adjust its pricing to maximize revenues and profits. Another strategy for profit growth is expanding business opportunities. Palantir can leverage its strong reputation and innovative technology to enter new markets or offer additional services. This could involve targeting new industries, expanding geographically, or developing partnerships with other companies. To summarize, Palantir's cost factors, while significant, are necessary for the company's growth and competitiveness. On the other hand, the company has several opportunities for increasing profits, such as optimizing pricing and expanding business opportunities. With strategic management of costs and thoughtful expansion, Palantir has the potential to turn its robust revenues into substantial profits. With strategic cost management and business expansion, Palantir's profit growth potential is significant. Let's wrap up what we've discussed about Palantir and its financial outlook. We've delved into the intricacies of Palantir's revenue sources, from its data analytics services like Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry, to its consulting and deployment offerings. These services have not only formed the bedrock of the company's earnings but have also showcased its ability to innovate and meet the diverse needs of its clients. Looking ahead, we've identified significant opportunities for revenue growth. Palantir's potential to expand into new markets, both industry-wise and geographically, is vast. The company's ongoing efforts to enhance its product capabilities and meet the increasingly complex demands of the market are noteworthy. Moreover, its potential to develop partnerships and collaborations could open new avenues for revenue and customer acquisition. Shifting our focus to profit potential and growth, we've examined Palantir's cost factors and profit opportunities. From research and development costs to operational and marketing expenses, understanding these elements is key to gauging the company's profitability. Palantir's strategies for future profit growth, such as optimizing pricing structures and expanding business opportunities, are also significant. The essence of this analysis is to provide a comprehensive understanding of Palantir's financials and growth potential. It's about more than just numbers. It's about recognizing the company's innovative spirit, its ability to adapt and grow, and its potential to disrupt the market. It's about understanding the strategic decisions that shape its financial trajectory and the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. As we conclude, it's crucial to remember that this analysis is a tool for informed decision-making. It's a detailed snapshot of Palantir's present and a telescope to its future. It's a guide for those who seek to understand the company beyond its stock price. Understanding Palantir's financials and growth potential is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Stay tuned for more insightful analyses of tech companies.